Hi, today I'm going to introduce you to the SmartLink Mapper feature of our MTS 4000 V2 platform. SmartLink Mapper is designed to make OTDR result interpretation easy and fast. SmartLink Mapper SLM provides an icon-based view designed for new or novice technicians of OTDR so that they can easily and quickly diagnose false or isolate issues or enable them to quickly characterize fiber links or networks. So let me show you how it works. So here I have a traditional trace view mode, consisting of an OTDR trace and a events table. I quickly select on SmartLink. When I go to my SmartLink results view, it is comprised of three sections. 1, icon-based events. 2 is my link table, summary of my link. And 3 is my alarms information. So let's look at these in a bit more detail. First, my icon-based event view. So here I have all my different icons representing different events along my link. Along the top, I've got my sectional information. This is the sectional distance between my events. Along the bottom, I have my cumulative information and cumulative distance. This is the cumulative distance along my link. This provides vital information to allow you to quickly and easily isolate the fault from a known events along the link. My link table. This comprises of my laser information, so the wavelengths I did my OTDR acquisition at, my overall link loss, my overall link ORL, my fiber length, and my average loss. And finally, my alarm information. This provides a quick and easy view of events or faults that have been detected along my link and the distance to those faults. At any point, if I want to see any more information, I can diagnose that fault further. So here I have a bad splice, and as you see, when I highlight that event, it's highlighted on my fault alarms table. Clicking on event view provides me the reason for that failure. So here I can see I have a splice and it's failed because my splice loss is too high. So in this case, I would need to resplice that fiber. Clicking on bind, I can see that it's been detected and it's failed. Simply hitting on event view brings me back to my SLM results view. I can quickly and easily toggle between trace view and SmartLink view. If I want to educate or train new or novice technicians on OTDR results interpretation, I can do so. I click on Splice. If I hit on Trace, you can see that that splice is highlighted in my table of events, but is also highlighted in my trace. At any point, if I want to diagnose further, I can zoom in on my event. With MTS 4000 V2, it's simply pinch and zoom, so it allows me to zoom in and be able to characterize that event further. Simply hit enter, and it brings me back to my full trace view if required. So like all VIAVI OTDRs, we have Fast Report. Fast Report allows me to save the results quickly. So here I have my fiber number, my save mode. Do I want to report as just a SOAR file, or do I also want to add a TXT or PDF file? So in this instance, I'm going to add a PDF file. I confirm the direction I did my acquisition in, my location A and location B. I hit save all. I confirm my fiber number, so I'm going to change my fiber number to fiber 3 and hit enter. And in a nutshell, that's how we use SmartLink Mapper feature on our MTS 4000 V2 platform. Thank you for watching.
Find out more at Vicom's website.